after doing letter M, letter N should be breezy because you're just basically doing part of the letter M. So we've got our heavy downstroke and then our overturn, which is light, heavy, light. Same thing for the lowercase, heavy downstroke, and then light, heavy, light. For the angled, we're gonna do a heavy downstroke here, and then I'm gonna do a light upstroke there, and then our overturn again, light, heavy, light. Again, to get that little detail right here, we're gonna go light right into heavy. That might take a little practice to get used to. And then light, heavy, light. Alternatively on this one, as we've mentioned in other letters, you could go light right into heavy. Light, heavy, light.